Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everybody. I am Muhammad Arifur Rahman, lecturer mathematics, Kumilla Government College, Kumilla. This class is designed for the students of National University Honors Third Year students for the course Abstract Algebra for Chapter 1 Relations. Dear student, we will discuss about firstly ordered pairs. Given any two elements A and B, we write A, B to define an ordered pair with A as the first element and B as the second element. A, B and A, B second bracket, there is important for the first bracket, which means ordered pair, and for the second bracket, which is the set. So A, B and A, B are different. One is ordered pair and the other is set. Dear student, we will discuss about now Cartesian product. The Cartesian product of two sets A and B is the set of all ordered pairs forming with the elements of A and B. It is denoted by A cross B. So A cross B is equal to xy such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. There is an example. Let A is equal to 1, 2 and B is equal to 3, 5. So A Cartesian product B is equal to 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 5. Dear students, we will discuss about relations. Let A and B be two sets. A relation from a set A to a set B is a subset of A cross B. It is denoted by R. The first alphabet of relations is R. Thus, R is a subset of A cross B, which implies R is a subset of A cross B is equal to xy such that x tends to A, x belongs to A and y belongs to B. If AB belongs to R, then we say that A is related to B. In other words, A is related to B if and only if AB belongs to R. There is an example of relations. Let R is equal to xy belongs to n cross n, where is n is natural set of natural numbers such that x equal to 3y. Then R belongs to n cross n, which implies R is a relation on the set n. It is clear that R is equal to 3, 1, 6, 2, 9, 3, etc. We write 3 is related to 1, 6 is related to 2, 9 is related to 3. If we put 1 in the value of y, then we find the value of x is 3. That means 3 is related to 1. If we put the value of y as 2, we find the value of x is 6. That means 6 is related to 2. If we put the value of y is 3, then we find the value of x is 9. That means 9 is related to 3. Dear students, we will discuss about types of relations. A relation R in a set A is said to be reflexive if A, A belongs to R for all A belongs to A. Symmetric if A, B belongs to R, then B, A belongs to R. Transitive if A, B belongs to R and B, C belongs to R, then A, C belongs to R. Antisymmetric if A, B belongs to R and B, A belongs to R, then A is equal to B. Dear students, we see the types of relations. First type is reflexive, second type is symmetric, third type is transitive, fourth type is antisymmetric. Dear students, now we will discuss about equivalence relation. A relation R in a set A is called an equivalence relation if R is reflexive, symmetric and also transitive. That means any relation which is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, we will say the relation as an equivalence relation. Dear students, now we will discuss about an example of equivalence relation. If t is equal to a comma b comma c, then show that t cross t or t Cartesian product t is an equivalence relation on t. That means we have to show that t cross t is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Given that t is equal to a comma b comma c, so t cross t is equal to a comma b comma c cross a b c, which means according to the law of Cartesian product, a comma b, a c, b a, b b, b c, c a, c b, c c. Now we have to show that the relation is reflexive. Here a comma a, b b, c comma c belongs to t cross t. That means t cross t is reflexive. Secondly, we have to show that the relation is symmetric. A b belongs to t cross t and b a belongs to t cross t. A c belongs to t cross c and c a belongs to t cross c. B c belongs to t cross t and also c b belongs to t cross t. So t cross t is also symmetric. Lastly, we have to show that the relation is transitive. AB belongs to t cross t and BC belongs to t cross t gives AC belongs to t cross t. AC belongs to t cross t and CB belongs to t cross t gives AB belongs to t cross t. Similar results hold for any other choice. So t cross t is transitive. Since the relation t cross t is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, so it is an equivalence relation. In this way, we can verify any relation whether it is equivalence relation or not. Thank you everybody. Dear students, stay home, stay safe, and I wish everybody will follow the health rules and pray for everybody. Thank you everybody. Assalamu alaikum.